Hello students, welcome to online classes. Today we will continue yes, we will be revising the topics which we learned in our earlier classes. Yes, we will be studying it again. Yes, first we will be saying what short answers. Yes, in earlier classes we studied about we revised the fill in the blanks and match the following. Yes, students. So today we'll be moving with the short answers. First one, what is family tree? Answer, knowing the names of our parents, grandparents, great grandparents and recording them in the form of flow chart or in the form of branches of tree is called family tree. Yes, students, you might have saw. Yes, definitely you saw in your earlier classes when we were studying about the lesson family. In that we saw the family tree. How it will be? It will look like a chart. Yes, it is a flow chart which look like a branches of tree. So knowing the names of parents, grandparents, great grandparents and recording them in the form of flow chart or in the form of branches of a tree is called family tree. Define family. Answer, a family in general is a group of blood related people living together with love. What is family? A family in general will be saying that a group of blood related people living together with love. Next, define nuclear family. Yes, there are two types of family will be there. One is nuclear family and another one is joint family. So nuclear family, a family with only two generations living together in a home is a called nuclear family. Yes, a family with only two generations living together in home is called nuclear family. Define joint family, a family with more than two generations living together in a same house. Yes, there will be a family but more than two generations are living in a same house, that is called joint family. Define community. Group of people living in specific area is called community. Yes, a group of people living in specific area is called community. Write the different types of community. There are three different types of community are there. First is rural community. Yes, in villages the people will be living all together. So group of people living in specific area called community. There are three types of communities there: rural community, urban community, tribal community. Next, what part does society play in person's life? Yes, in earlier classes we studied that a man is a social being, so that a person live in a society with all other peoples. Yes, so society has become part of person's life. It provides a purpose to the life of a man and also direction. Yes, it will provide a purpose to the life of a man and also provides the direction. Next, what are farm labors rare? Yes, why? Not what, it is why are farm laborers rare? Answer, people follow cooperative farming, work in their own land and earn profit. So they want to work in their own land and earn profit. So there is a rare in farm labors. Write the various occupations found in villages. Yes, in village we will be find the agriculture, no doubt. Do you think that only on agriculture they depend? No, some other different people will be doing the different occupations will be they having. So answer is dairy. Yes, dairy, fishery, sericulture, weaving, blacksmithing, carpentry, basket weaving, pottery, craft work, etc. Yes, these all are the different occupations found in villages. Why is life town more contented? Yes, why is life towns? Yes, in the life of a town people will be contented. So people lead a peaceful life. The problems of speed, hurry, pollution and such other urban problems are rare in towns. Yes, towns is, yes, their population is lesser than the urban areas. Yes, so Why it is more contented? Because people lead the peaceful life. There will be no speed, hurry or pollution will be found more as compared to urban in town. So they will be leading a peaceful life. What assistance does the government provide for agriculture initiatives? So answer is first is loans. Yes, they are providing the loans. It is LOANS, loan. Yes, they will be providing a loan. Second, modern and scientific methods of farming. Yes, it is the modern and scientific methods of farming. What are the problems faced by people in villages? Yes, definitely there will be different problems faced by the people who will be living in urban areas and who will be living in villages. So villages, what they'll be facing the problems? Answer, villages have problems related to hygiene. Yes, there will be no more hygiene as compared to in towns. Yes, urban areas. Health, yes, jobs and education. So that's why, see, they'll be not getting the jobs and education. So nowadays we can see that there is a migration is nothing but shifting from villages to urban areas. So villages have problems related to hygiene, health, jobs and education. What are games? Yes, it is a continued. What are games? Answer, the activities that people have formed for entertainment and physical exercise. What are the games? The activities that people have formed for entertainment and physical exercise. Name types of games. There are two types of game. First one is individual games. Second is team games. There are two types of games. One is individual games. Second one is team games. Next, why should we play games regularly? Students, do you think that there is a necessity to play games regularly? Yes, so answer is we should play games regularly because it gives us a pleasure. Yes, it will give us the pleasure and relaxation and maintain good health, physical strength and fitness. We should play games regularly because it gives us pleasure, relaxation and maintain good health. After that, comma, physical strength and fitness. Why should we do physical exercise regularly? Yes. What is the need of physical exercise regularly? Answer, we should do physical exercise regularly because they are essential to keep our body healthy. Yes, our body will be healthy and active and promote physical health and development. Yes, it will not only keep our body healthy, also active and promote the physical health and development. Next, write the names of few international games. Answer, international games are cricket, football, basketball, long jump, etc. Students, do add some of international games in this. Okay. What are adventure games? Yes, you have studied in your earlier classes. In community games there will be adventure games. So what do you mean by that? Answer, games which provide excitement and special experience with special physical competence. Yes, the games which provide a excitement and a special experience with special physical competence are called adventure games. Yes, students, I hope you understood. So do read at your home well. Okay, and do revise all the question answers at your home. So thank you. Have a nice day.